With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, have a look at the question. Question is according to Hardy-Weinberg principle, difference in the values of measured and expected allelic frequencies indicates all of the following except options are change in gene pool, uh, disturbance in genetic equilibrium, extent of evolutionary change, absence of any kind of evolution. So firstly we will see Hardy-Weinberg principle. Hardy-Weinberg principle, it says that there is overall genetic and the allelic frequency, genotypic and allelic frequency in a population genotypic and the allelic frequency in a population, it will remain constant. It will remain constant genotypic and allelic frequency, but there are certain conditions for that. That conditions are there should be random mating, which may so that there is no effect in the gene pool. Then there is no migration. If migration will occur, it will not remain constant, it will not remain in the equilibrium state. So there will be no migration, no genetic drift, no sudden change, genetic drift. There is no gene flow, no gene flow, no natural selection, so that certain characters will be selected, so no natural correction. So these are few of the assumption which was given by the Hardy-Weinberg, so that if these assumptions are fulfilled, these assumptions are being met in a population, genotypic and the allelic frequency that will remain the constant. Now our question says according to Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, difference in values of measured and the expected allelic frequency indicate. It means that is not the constant. What they have expected and what they have actually observed, that is different. So this difference is definitely due to the any of these certain changes which may affect the gene pool. So we have to find out why this happen. Exception is, so changes in the gene pool, this is correct because there might be changes in the gene pool, and changes could be anything that I have written. Might be there is a genetic drift, might be there is a migration, might be there is a gene flow. So there is could be any change which may affect it. It is not the exception. So wrong option. Disturbance in genetic equilibrium, again this is correct. Genetic equilibrium may be due to there is no random mating and there is no gene flow occur, so it may be due to that it has affected it, the gene pool has affected and equilibrium has been not remain constant. So this is not the exception. Extent of evolution is also major factor. So there was assumption that there should be no evolution if that remain to be constant. So it means if there is no evolution, so that then it will remain constant, but here they have found the difference. It means there was a change, there was evolutionary change. So this is also incorrect. Absence of any kind of evolution, if there is no evolution still change has been indicated, so we can say that this is not the true, because there must be some evolution which has lead to this kind of difference. That's why it doesn't remain the constant, and it was given by the Hardy-Weinberg. So this is the correct. So there was certain evolution which lead to this difference in gene pool. Option D is correct. Hope you get it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.